So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install a WinRAR software which is used in order to zip as well as unzip files and folders. So if you're ready, let's get right into it. So first thing we're going to do is just open up our browser, and here we are going to type download. So WinRAR. So and then we are going to open up the first link, and based on your operating system as well as architecture you can modify these parameters. For instance, my architecture is 64 and platform Windows, and I will be using the English version. So here, as you can see, downloading is underway, and now once we are done with downloading, we are gonna open up this file in the folder, and then I'm gonna double click on it, and then here click on yes. So here install, and then we will be, so based on your preference here you can also modify a couple of settings. You can tick as well as untick these options. If you want to associate this files with this WinRAR, you can tick these options, but I'm okay with the default settings. That's why I'm going to click on OK, and then here done. So now we are done with installing WinRAR software, and now we are gonna check this software. So we are gonna use the software. First thing I'm gonna create with here new file with the default name, and I'm gonna archive this file. So add archive, and here as you can see I'm gonna click OK, and now here as you can see this document, this text document has just been archived. But unfortunately, if you do not like this white looking icon, so what you can do is just open up settings, and here go to apps, and here default apps, and then just go down, and here as you can see choose defaults by file type, and then here you can look for RAR, and then for the RAR you can choose this WinRAR software, and also you can look for this zip, and then as you can see it has been already associated with this WinRAR software, and I'm gonna close this. So here as you can see now this file has been archived successfully, as well as it has been associated with the software. And if you want to unzip this file, so go here and then choose this extract files option, and then right click on it, and then so here as you can see this file has just been unarchived. So thank you for watching.